What's going on, guys? It's your boy Skittlefabz Fender rolling here in Boston, Massachusetts. So you guys know I'm a mobile fender roller. I do fender rolling basically from Boston all to Western Massachusetts area. I am on my way to West Springfield, so I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned and you guys will see me doing my thing. Alright guys, I'm here doing a fender roll on a 2004 TSX, and so far it looks flush. I really wish I had a better light for you guys, but you can see it's nice and flush. She actually does have some Bondo in this quarter panel, and I told him that I wasn't gonna roll the rest down here because that's where Bondo is, and you can see how it's chipping. So I am wary about that and how much there is there, so I just did my roll as flush as I possibly can, which is a perfect flush up to about right here. So he's gonna deal with that, and you guys can see that's Bondo and paint, so, and rust. But yep, I'm gonna get onto that car right over there, that other BMW. Alright guys, we just finished the right quarter panel and I had no issues, no chipping, no prior damage, but I do see swirl marks from Bondo, so I'm assuming that something happened or they had a repaint, but that came out good. So onto the BMW now. Alright, so we're working on his buddy's 325i, and so far this side rolled up very nicely, so I want to show you guys how clean and how perfect my rolls are. And mind you, I'm not trying to sound cocky, it's just that's what everybody's saying, all the clients. So it's like, why wouldn't you believe me? Guys, hopefully you guys can see that. You guys see how clean that roll is? I'm sorry, this is my first time trying to like show you guys. You guys see how clean that is? And mind you, that's where he was rubbing. So all that stuff that's missing, like that shininess, that's his tire rubbing up. And this, so I really wish I could give you guys a better view, but that's all rolled up on the driver's side. So now I'm gonna get to the passenger side, which I haven't really done anything, but this side got hit, but no damage to the quarter panel where I'm gonna be rolling, so that's a plus. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick preview of what a lip looks like unrolled on this car. You guys can see that. It's a good, pretty much, I don't know, a quarter of an inch, half an inch gap on these BMWs. So yep, I'm gonna roll that up and I'll give you guys an after look of this, and you guys can see, like I said, on the other side, he was rubbing just on the edge. So that's the rear. So let me roll this bad Larry up and I'll get back to you guys and show you guys what it looks like all rolled up. I just finished. I'm gonna show you guys real quick because I gotta get back to Boston so I can do another fender roll, guys. I'm sorry, I'm trying to show you guys. I'm not really doing that great with the video, and you guys can see. Perfect. I really wish I had better light, you guys. I'm sorry. But it is clean, flush, and not wavy like a bacon. There it is, guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. I'm not gonna bring you guys another video of the other car because it's another TSX, but smash the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. And until next time, be easy, stay tuned, peace.